So, hello guys, my name is Sonal Gupta and today I am going to explain about the PO table. So, before create a PO table, first we need to understand what is a PO table. So, PO table is a basically used to quickly summarize the large amount of the data and analysis of the data. So, here you can see I have this data set and first select the data. Then go to the insert and here is the PO table. Click the PO table and this type of interface you can see, and here is the two options, new worksheet and existing worksheet. If you want a result in a new worksheet, then you can select a new worksheet. If you want a result in a same sheet, so you can select a existing worksheet. So I want my result in a same sheet, so I will click existing worksheet. Then give the cell location where you want to result. So I will select here, then press OK, and this type of interface you can see. This is the column name. So I want the vehicle price and I want registration state. And if you can select what column you want. Here I want only two things, registration state and vehicle price. Then we can close this tab and here you can see your PO table is ready. Now I am going to share with you a magical tricks how you can create a chart in a just 1 second. So first you need to select this data, then press Alt plus F1 and here you can see your chart is ready. Thanks for watching.